Swati, you start.
Uh, Good morning, sir. Myself, Swati Galgali. Today, we are here to present a project demo on deep learning based intelligent medicine recognition and monitoring system for chronic patients, uh, and under the guidance of Professor D.D. Billur. It was presented by Swati Galgali, Lakshmibai Gavane, Sonali Holkar, and Shweta Pujari. Uh, Before going to start my PPT, I want to tell about uh, uh, I want to tell about my project. In the modern society, in the fast forwarding life, people go behind the technology and they forget about their health. Uh, due to unhealthy diet, they may get different type of diseases. We all know about, we all see from last 5 months, world is suffering from COVID-19. Uh, Billions of rupees are invested for proper medicine, but people will take those medicines only for few days. Afterwards, they will forget to take those medicines. Or taking the old age people, they are suffering from a group of diseases, or we can say chronic diseases. Uh, they will always uh, uh, forget to take medicines. One person is to stand behind him to take care of his medicines. Uh, otherwise, their life survival is critical. For that reason, we trained a deep learning machine which will recognize different types of medicines and remind them in a correct time to take a correct medicine. This is about my project introduction, and now going to the objectives. Objectives are, first one is, we have to develop an intelligent medicine recognition medicine machine which uses deep learning models and computer vision to determine which patient is taking the correct medicine in a right dosage. To develop an Android application which will scan the QR code on the medicine wrapper, and also and voice feedback based medicine reminding the system to develop an family acknowledgement system which will help family members keep track of medication and records of chronic patients. To develop a deep learning model which will recognize the different type of medicines. These are the objectives of our project. Now going to the methodology. Uh, as shown in the figure, it is our block diagram of our project. It consists of Raspberry Pi, camera, power supply, speaker, LCD display, internet, cloud server, and Android application. Uh, Here we are using Raspberry Pi is interfacing with the PyMP camera model. It will scan the different type of medicines. Power supply is required. 5 volt power supply is required for the Raspberry Pi, for using the Raspberry Pi. And here speaker is we are connecting Raspberry Pi to the speaker because voice from the speaker we get the voice feedback. And also we are connecting a LCD display. LCD display is used for it shows it is the right medicine in the at that time. Then it is Raspberry. It will help with the help it all will works with the help of IoT or internet. And we are using a cloud server for storaging the for storage purpose. Like doctor will give a description that will stored in that cloud server. And also Android application is used. The Whenever patient take his medicine or not, it will go message to their family members. That's why we are using Android application. Uh, uh, this figure will show the Android application, cloud server, and the project model. And requirements of these projects are Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, Pi MP camera, I2C model, LCD display, and web development, WAMP server. Those are all our hardware specifications. And software development or software purpose, we are using uh, ideal software. It is a ideally means integrated development and learning environment. It is a 100% pure Python using the Tinkler GUI toolkit. It is used for Windows, Unix, and MacOS. And we are using, I already told, we are using the WAMP server. It is used for web development. It uses MyAdmin and SQL code for developing the web. It uses PHP language. And also we are developing the Android application. That's why we are using Android Studio. It helps for developing the Android application. Now uh, for recognizing, we are developing our model for recognizing for 4 to 5 medicines. That's why we are
Swati,
yes sir.
you are the one who is going to complete whole presentation. Your
No
batchmates will
sir,
not speak anything.
no sir, we all are prepared sir.
How many
Everyone is
slides? How many slides explanation you give?
sir, I give 12 slides sir.
How many will be left afterwards?
uh, Total sir 22 slides are there. Sorry sir, 19 slides are there sir. Remaining 5 sir.
Remaining seven slides explanation will be given by remaining three students. It means for each there will be two slides.
Okay sir.
Okay, first continue. We'll see afterwards. Okay, continue.
I only continue, sir. Shall I?
Continue.
Okay. We are training the model for 4 to 5 medicines. Before that, we should train the model. Firstly, for that, procedures are machine learning based tablet recognition procedure is there. Uh, I want to explain that. Uh, Firstly, we should take the say 100 set of images from medicines f- uh, for uh, for uh, for training and um, also testing purpose. And images were rescaled all at once by feeding it Python script to make them compatible with the model while training. uh, and next is pillow imaging framework is used for this. Means image processing capabilities to Python interpreter are added by Python imaging library. This provides a very powerful image processing capabilities. Also support extensive file format. There is a designed for fast access to data stored in the limited pixel format. For general image processing tool, it should provide and reboost it and uh, solid fast food. Both the test and train images were converted to XML and CSV with bounding boxes. The bounding boxes were drawn across each image to explore the region to our interest. The next step is to generate the TF records, which can be served as a training input data to train the model. Before generating the TF records, the new class IDs and names are created. This is done by creating the uh, uh, label maps. After this, training configuration file from retaining the model is tuned. Since project runs on Raspberry Pi, after the label maps and TF records, Fair generated the training of model uh, and is ready for the test. These are the different these are the different in the figure we are showing that different results got during the training model. And first image we lost at 62 points, and the second image we lost at 6 points. Training the data for feeding a neural network by giving a medicine image feedback. As I already told, taking the 100 images from each medicine and training the model. Here is the image, how we take the images uh, uh, for recognition the different types of model, sorry, medicine. And next one is software implementation. This is done with the help of WAM server.
Sir, shall I explain the software implementation?
Hello,
Sir, shall I explain the software implementation?
who is this? Lakshmi.
Uh, yes.
Yes, sir, Lakshmi. Sir.
Okay, you continue. Lakshmi, you can
Uh,
continue.
okay, sir. Good morning, sir. And now I would like to explain about software implementation. And our project required a software implementation that is used to the chronic patients medicine record keeping application. The web as well as Android application is developed for the same here, sir. And the application has the facility to add a medication to the patient as well as the medication time. The medication will be stored at MySQL database, and the same SQL will be fetched by the medication reminder machine. Uh, 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 by using this, we use IoT that is also connected to the Raspberry Pi. Uh, and we created here one login page. The login page front end is used to login into the system, and the login page front end is developed by the HTML and CSS and Bootstrapper. Uh, we created login page that is username is admin and password is admin123. Uh, by giving this open the login page, and by using this we can create a tablet name and time also, sir. The medication application, the medication reminder application front as well as back end is developed in this project, and the front end is developed using HTML and Bootstrap, and the back end is developed using PHP. The same will be connected to the Android application using the web service framework. As shown in the web application developed above, the system has the provision for setting the medication time and medication. This operation given for creating a new medicine timing as well as remaining the chronic patients, which type of medicine. Here QR code scanning facility are also given so that the QR code and the wrapper of the medicine can be fed to the system. This is the software implementation, sir. This table showing the intelligent medicine reminder machine table. This is our final project model.
So ಇದೇನು S6 ನಡೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it only supports Windows 7 Lakshmi, you continue.
Sir, this is our final project model. Here, in this box, Raspberry Pi 3 model is there, and that is interfaces to the camera, and we have also LCD display in that, as well as a proximity sensor and speaker which is connected to inside the Raspberry Pi. Whenever patient have to take a medicine, the system will call to patient. Let's know about the system working. Raspberry Pi is connected to internet. Internet will continuous calls the web server on the cloud server. When the call is made, the medicine, if the medicine available at that time, it will give the medicine. If it is ideal, the medicine status is null, sir. When the made system will do it, we need to place the medicine in the tray in this machine, and the camera will continuously capture and will trigger the notification.
So shall I explain the next part?
This is the working of this model, sir.
Okay, next.
So shall I explain the next part of this project?
Who is it, Shweta?
Yes, sir.
Continue.
In this project, the Android applications. In this project, the Android applications has developed. The Android application developed has a QR code scanning facility, which will scan the QR code on the medicine wrapper. Which the medication dosage will fetched from the internet. And the same will be saved. The same will be saved to the cloud backend using the reset web services. The medicine recognition and reminder machine on the other connects to the cloud server, and check for the medicine timings of the chronic patients, as well as the dosage. And then machine reminder devices will inform the patient using the audio feedback or through the speaker present on the medicine. Next, the patient has to place the medicine in the tray, where the camera capture the medicine, and will medicine placed on the tray and feed it to the neural network model. Check the proper medicine or placed by the patient as per the medicine schedule, and then inform the patient using the audio feedback.
Hello, listen.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I show the model, sir? Hello.
Who is it, Sonali?
Yes.
Is it Sonali?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, shall I stop the presentation?
You can stop it.
Sir, this is our model.
No, that is not visible, Sonali. You have to hold your camera to that.
Now, sir.
No,
Hello?
still it is not yet visible.
Now, sir. Hello.
No, it is not visible. Sonali, you turn on your this one camera.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Sonali, you turn on your camera, then hold the camera near to your model.
Now, sir.
Now, okay, now it is visible. Not
Only this,
fully. You hold camera properly. You hold camera near to the components which you want to show to me.
in components. In this, we have the ITC model and camera and Raspberry Pi. These are not shown. Under the this is the Raspberry Pi and camera
Sonali,
ITC
your,
model.
your project is not visible to me. So you are telling this is Raspberry Pi, this is camera, but I am not seeing those things. You have to hold camera in front of them and you have to show.
This is ITC model. Now, sir.
No, no, it is not visible.
Hello.
You should move the camera properly.
No, sir. Hello.
Hello?
It is showing, sir.
No, it is not visible. Sonali, you hold camera in front of the components. Okay. Now that some part is visible now. What is this?
It is our ITC model, sir. Then
Okay.
it
Go
was
ahead.
connected to the Raspberry Pi. It is.
Show me that Raspberry Pi.
It is visible. Hello. Sir,
Show
it is
me
visible.
show me the Raspberry Pi.
I am showing, sir. It is visible. Hello.
No, no, no. Only this sensor is visible. Raspberry Pi part is not visible to me. Your camera is not moving.
Hello. Now, sir.
No,
One minute.
now also it is not visible.
Sir. Visible. Hello.
Yes. Now it is visible.
Raspberry Pi and mod camera is there. Those are connected to each other. Then in this we have using the VNC viewer. In this we run the code. We run the code and we can set the medicine time and patient number. In this, we username is admin and password is admin123. You can log in this page. In this, we create the medication, the patient's name, then medicine time. Now, 9, 10, 6, 10,
10, give 10 seconds.
10, 8, 6. Then creating a medicine, we are taking the demo. That's why we are doing demo. Then create the medication and patient's name. Then read the medication. It will set the medication name and patient's name. Then it will show the medicine is available. Then it will show. Then it's showing the medicine is available. And it is also connected to the speaker also, but It will give the voice to us too. Hello. Medicine is not available. It's for the ideal.
VE802AF. And one more. Only one. Sonali, you show me the hardware components. You leave that software. Sonali,
Sir. I'm showing, sir.
you show me the hardware components. Whatever you have used in your project. One by one, you show me.
I2C model, sir. This is
You
I2C
show
model.
that is not visible to me. You hold camera in front of that and show it to me.
No, sir.
No, now still it is not visible. Okay. I2C.
Model, sir.
Okay, next.
And
Show me
then
the next component.
Raspberry, sir.
Show me the next component.
Oh, and it's Raspberry Pi, sir. This is. It is visible, sir.
Yes, it is visible. It is Raspberry Pi.
And here we connected the camera, sir.
Okay. Only three components are there.
Yes, sir. Then
I2C model,
connect,
Raspberry Pi.
connecting wire. It is connected to
Speaker also there.
speaker also there, sir.
Speaker is there. Okay. Can you show that speaker? You show me the camera as well as speaker.
Speaker, sir.
No, it is not visible. Where is the speaker? And where is the camera? Both the components you to show to me.
It is
Camera is connected
speaker,
to
sir.
Raspberry Pi.
Speaker.
No, show it again.
This is speaker.
It is
It is
visible,
not
sir.
No, it is not visible to me. Hold the camera properly.
Now, sir.
No, not yet visible.
Speaker, sir. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Speaker is visible.
No. Speaker as well as camera are not visible to me. I2C, I have seen. Raspberry Pi, seen. These two things I want to see.
Sir.
Camera.
Camera is connected to Raspberry Pi. This is camera, sir.
No, that is not visible.
Camera also not visible, sir.
Yes.
Camera is visible for us.
No, to me it is not visible, no. Whether you have turned on the camera of your this one software, this Google Meet,
No, sir.
have you turned on the camera this
On,
Google Meet?
Yes, on.
No,
Yes, on.
if it is on, I should be able to see it, no. But I am not seeing anything here.
On, sir.
Only,
It is on, sir.
only your names are visible to me.
I2C model also no.
Okay, leave it. Swati Galgali. Swati Galgali.
Yes, sir.
You present that PPT, and where in the PPT you go to the block diagram slide.
Okay. Sir. Sir, this is the block diagram.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
You zoom in the slide. This particular slide, you zoom in.
Is it okay, sir?
Okay, now it is visible. Uh, except this Swati Galgali, others three, Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
Shweta, and Sonali.
Yes, sir.
You people answer to my question. In this black diagram, where you have shown this I2C model, where is the I2C model? Shweta, Sonali, and Lakshmi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are using I2C model in your project, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That I2C model part is not there in your block diagram. Where you are using it actually? What is the purpose of this I2C? Can anybody tell? Can anybody tell what does this stand for? I2C stands for what?
Inter-integrated circuit, sir.
Inter-integrated
Circuit.
circuit. What is the purpose of it? For what purpose you are using it in your project?
Um,
See, if you people don't know the answer, tell me don't know. I will ask the next question.
For
Don't waste
sensing,
your time.
for sensing, sir. Medicine, sir.
For
Sensor.
sensing medicine. Who is it? Sonali. You mean I2C is a sensor?
No, sir.
Sir, it is used to connect to other components such as that
Bluetooth.
speaker.
To connect to the other components like speaker and camera.
Speaker.
Bluetooth can you also use to sir.
One of you talk at a time. One of you tell me the answer. That too at a time, not all at a time.
To
Sir, in
connect
the
the
I2C,
Who
sir,
is
I will
it?
talk. Sir,
Who is it?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Sir.
Okay, tell me. For what purpose you are using it?
Yeah, in the ITC module, left side of the ITC module, we have four pins, sir, and that two are for power and two are for their SD and SCL lines for connecting, sir. That's why we are
in
like
LCD display we can. We also used it in the LCD display, sir, to connect
Who
the
is it?
and
Who is
Sonali.
it?
Sonali. Sir.
Sonali. Before you said that it is used for sensing the medicine.
No, sir.
Now
No,
you are saying that it is used to connect to the LCD.
LCD
No,
display.
sir. It is.
yes, sir. It is also connected to LCD display, sir. 16 cross 2 or 20 cross 4.
No, that LCD is the other component. I will come to that later. Words. You first tell me I2C whether you are using it for connecting LCD to the Raspberry Pi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To
Yes, sir.
connect LCD
Connecting.
display.
To connect LCD to the Raspberry Pi, you are using I2C.
Yes.
It is having four pins, sir. It is connected to Raspberry Pi.
To connecting sensors also, sir.
Which sensor? Who is talking about the sensors? Who is it?
Except it connects to LCD display.
leave that one. Some one of you said sensors. No, who is it? Sonali.
To connecting the sensor, sir.
Who is it? Is it Sonali?
Yes, sir.
Sonali, you tell me whether you have used any sensor in your project.
No, sir.
No, sir. It is
Sonali, I am
connected to
asking you.
LCD display, sir.
No, sir.
Shweta, I will ask
Yes,
to
sir.
you particularly. When I am asking to the Sonali, let her give the answer. I will come back to you. Sonali,
Yes, sir. Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If yes, say yes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, have you used any sensor in your project?
No, sir.
Sonali, your knowledge about project is minus, not even zero. Block diagram is displaying here, and in the block diagram, not even a single sensor is there, and you are telling
We are
IC
not
you are
using
using for
sensor, sir.
sensing the medicine. You are telling that this is used to connect to the LCD display, and it is used for the sensors.
But in my
Sonali,
project, sensor are not used, sir.
then why did you say that I2C you are using for sensing the medicine, for connecting the LCD display? When you don't know the answer, you should tell I don't know. Simply whatever you know, you are telling. See, look at that block diagram, whether there are any sensors.
No, sir.
Then why you are talking about the sensors? Sonali, no, you don't even know anything about your project. Not even 1%. Simply whatever is coming to your mind, you are speaking. Whether it is relevant to your project or not, you are not thinking. This is the knowledge you are having regarding your project. Now, Sweta,
Yes, sir.
you were speaking something. Tell me.
In a I2C model, it connect to the LCD display. It having
Wait,
16
wait,
into
wait a minute. Wait a minute. According to you, I2C is used for connecting the LCD to the Raspberry Pi.
LCD display, sir.
That is what I am asking. I2C is used for connecting LCD and Raspberry Pi.
It connects. Yes, sir.
Where did you study this? Who told you that I2C is used for connecting these two things?
It connects LCD display, sir.
That is what I am asking. Where did you study this? Who told you that I2C is used for connecting the LCD with the Raspberry Pi? Can you show me any proof?
Yes, sir.
Any website link or any book wherein I2C is used for connecting these two things? Cannot you connect LCD directly to the Raspberry Pi?
I2C model, it having a 16 into 2 or 20 into 4 to Android. It's having 6 wires to connect. Sir.
No, I am not asking about that I2C, how many pins it is having, for what purpose those pins are used. I will come to that later words. First, you tell me why you are using it. There must be some purpose, no? Whatever the purpose you are telling itself is wrong. Only to connect LCD you are
It
using I2C. So that is not the purpose. And it means
it
that
specifying the
it means that you people don't know anything about your project. Why you are using I2C, why you are using LCD, even though if you are using, how you are using it, that you don't know. See, if you are using, then why you people have not shown that on the line I2C bus, something like that? You should have written it in the block diagram. Hmm. Then what is the power supply you are using for your project?
5 volts, sir.
Swati, you keep quiet. I will come to you. Lakshmi, Shweta, and Sonali, you three answer me. What is the power supply you are using?
5 volts. Sir.
Swati, sorry, Shweta. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
What is the power supply you are using?
5 volts, sir.
5 volt. From which device? 5 volt you are taking from which device? Whether you are using adapter or you are using rectifier or are you using any power converter or are you using anything which can give 5 volt directly?
Adapter, sir.
Adapter you are using.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The output of adapter you are connecting to the power jack of Raspberry Pi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Then how about this I2C, LCD and camera speaker? They also require power supply, right? Those components also require power supply.
Yes, sir.
From where you are giving power supply to them? From the same adapter only? You tell me whether these things require power supply for their working or not.
Required, sir.
Lakshmi, Shweta and Sonali.
Required, sir.
If required, you said that you are using one adapter. The adapter output will be one. From that one output only, are you giving power supply to the Raspberry Pi, camera, speaker, LCD, even to the I2C?
Yes, sir.
For everything you are giving from the same?
Yes, sir.
How? Whether you have 5 outputs from that adapter?
No.
How are you giving the power supply then? You people have used the Raspberry Pi 3B model, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What are the features of this Raspberry Pi?
Raspberry Pi camera model is
What are the features of Raspberry Pi? What is a Raspberry
it
Pi?
is a it is fully compatible with both the models, sir.
I am asking you about the features. What are the features of Raspberry Pi?
15 MP camera, sir.
Others
Video
can also
and
answer.
video supports of 1080p and resolution is about 2292 into 196.
No, your voice is not audible to me.
5 MP only using camera, sir, and video supports and the resolution is about 3592 into 1966.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the features of Raspberry Pi.
It is a 5 MP Omni Vision 5647 camera model, sir.
Okay.
Picture resolution is 2592 into 1944.
What are these values? 2500, 1400.
Is resolution value, sir. Camera resolution.
Camera. I have asked you the features. Features of Raspberry Pi, not the features of camera. Did you hear my question?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. I asked you the features of Raspberry Pi, not the features of camera. Okay. See, the knowledge about your project is zero. All of you. Only you people have prepared the PPT and presented. That too out of 19 slides, 15 slides explanation is given by Swati. Remaining three of you have given only the explanation for 4 slides. It means that remaining you three people's contribution is zero in your project. Hmm? And regarding the knowledge, you don't know anything. It's not even 1% knowledge you have regarding your project. Okay, you can leave the meeting.
Sir, it has 1 GB of
Okay,
memory.
no problem. Now time is over. Already 1 hour, more than 1 hour is over for your batch. You can leave the meeting. All of you leave the meeting. I will take up the next batch.